Viewers, you are watching Mathematics channel number Collage. In this question, for x being real, tan inverse x belongs to closed interval minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. As such, we are asked to find the minimum value of the function f, a real valued function which is defined in terms of this definite integral. First thing, we have to find the minimum value of this function, which means we have to find derivative of fx, f dash x. But here fx is given in terms of a definite integral with limits of integration as a variable in x. The only way we can find derivative of fx is by using Leibnitz Theorem, which goes like this. If capital Fx is a definite integral from gx to hx of ft dt, then d by dx of fx is f hx into h dash x minus f gx into g dash x. Here, a function expressed in terms of a definite integral can be differentiated using this formula. Now, for this given function, we can find its derivative by using this formula as f dash x equals e power. Let me make one correction here. Here there is t and not x, so it is e power t minus cos t. Continuing with the derivative, e power, we have to replace t by the higher limit first, which in this case is x tan inverse x. So x tan inverse x minus cos, we have to replace t by x tan inverse x again upon 1 plus e power 2023 as it is multiplied by h dash x, which in this case will be derivative of the higher limit x tan inverse x, that will be by product rule first function x into derivative of tan inverse x 1 upon 1 plus x square plus second function tan inverse x into derivative of x 1 minus f gx. That means we have to replace t by the lower limit 0. So it will be e power 0 minus cos 0. Cos 0 is 1 upon 1 plus e power 2023 into g dash x, which means derivative of this constant, which will be 0. So f dash x will be this part only. For deciding minimum value, we have to find critical points. So we have to consider f dash x equals 0. That means product of this green part and this yellow part to be 0. We know that this e power, any real number, this one is always positive, which implies the quantity in this yellow bracket must be 0 to make f dash x equals 0. Now how this quantity x upon 1 plus x square plus tan inverse x will be 0 only when x is 0. Because when we put x equals 0, this will be 0 and tan inverse 0 is also 0. So value of x responsible for making f dash x 0 is this x equals 0. Moreover, if we try to find f0, it will be the integral from 0 to 0 of the given function, say written in this box, dt will also be 0. So we conclusively say now that minimum value of function fx is 0. Viewers, if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe this channel, Number Collage. See you in the next video. Until then, keep watching Number Collage. Thank you.